Now here's how to trade on your mobile app. Trade on your OKEx mobile app. First thing first, you deposit your BTC, ETH or USDT to get ready to start trading. So on your mobile app, when you open it, you see home, you see market, you see buy or sell, you see trade, you see assets. Now you click on assets, and then you go to you click on deposit. You click on assets, you click on deposit. It will show you select token. Now let us say you want to deposit BTC or X or even USDT. So you click on select token, or you click on each of this, and it will take you to, so now you want to deposit Bitcoin. To take you to this, so this is your deposit address. You copy this deposit address, you click on copy, and then you send it to, maybe you're buying from OKEx P2P market, or you deposit from an external wallet. You copy this address and paste it there to receive your Bitcoin. After you've received your Bitcoin, now you can also buy from Bundle. Bundle is an app where you can also buy Bitcoin. You can buy from OKEx P2P. You can buy from external wallets like Bundle. Then it will appear. After it has appeared in your funding balance, you need to, for you to start trading, you need to move that BTC. Just assume that this coin here is BTC. You go to transfer. When you click on transfer, you will see this page. So you click on moving it from funding to spot. From funding to spot, then you click transfer, or everything will transfer, and you click confirm. After you click confirm, then now you're ready to trade. It has appeared in your spot account. So let's just say now I give you a trade. You go to market on the home page. You type in the short form of that coin in the market. It will appear. Because you deposited BTC, you go for OKB BTC, or you deposited USDT, you go to OKB USDT, or you deposited Ethereum, you go to OKB Ethereum, and you click on it. Because this one on this side is what we call the base currency, the one that you're using to buy the currency you want to buy. Now you're ready. You now see this page. You now click buy. When you click on buy, it will take you to this page. Remember what I explained in the previous video about limit order. Limit buy order. These are what we call order types. What helps you to buy or sell your coin? Limit buy order means you're buying this coin at a particular price. So you can click on it and then select in order to buy. Now look at this place here now. This is Satoshi value. This is dollar value. Now the coins I'm going to give to you will appear like this in 0.00. So usually you will not see 0.000, you will just see only the whole numbers. So if you see 3 whole numbers, you know that there are 5 zeros in front of it, because Satoshi value comes in 8 decimal places. If you see 4 numbers, you know that there are 4 zeros in front of it. OKEx work with 7 decimals, but it is actually 8 decimals. So this is the equivalent. This is the Satoshi value, and this is what it means in dollar value. So I'll try as much as possible to make to send you signals maybe in full with the full zeros in front, so you'll be able to recognize it. But you just know that if there are 2 whole numbers, then you know that there are 6 zeros in front. It must be 8 decimal places. So when you look at this is the market price, you look at it, if it's within the price given in the signal, you just come and select market buy order. When you select market buy order, then let's say for example now what you have like you already funded, so you can click. If you want to make more than one trade, you can say okay, maybe you have like $100, you want to split into two trades. You select 50%. If you want to use everything, you select 100%, and then you click buy. You click buy, it automatically buys for you. Now I'm showing the simplest way to go about it without bothering to put the price yourself using limit buy order. As soon as you finish buying, make sure you switch to sell immediately and set your sell target. What target do you want to make profit with? You set it because I'll be giving you also sell targets. So this time around, you're no longer using market sell order. You are using limit sell order because you want to put in the price you want to sell at. So you had already bought the coin at this price, 2806. Definitely to make profit, the price has to be higher. So you edit the price maybe to like 4806. And then you now say you want to sell everything at 4806. Then you click sell. As soon as you click sell, it will appear in your open orders, showing that the order has not been executed. As soon as the price goes up and it hits 4806, you'll be on profit, and to sell off, you have both your capital and your gain in your balance. So these are just one or two coins you could have for 2021 that could give you profit. So most of them are already on profit. They've really moved. And you can find CRV on OKEx, you can find Algo on OKEx, Ring on OKEx, and all that. You can find Unit Dots on OKEx and all. So this is simply how to buy and sell your crypto on OKEx. If you have any questions, drop your questions and I'll attend to them. You can watch this video over and over again, and then you can go to other videos on the YouTube channel to learn more on how to buy and sell your crypto within the OKEx exchange. So I believe this was simple enough and clear for if you're just starting. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in my next video.